Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, and thank you all so very much for returning for another dump and go crockpot meal. So today I am showing you guys how to make this easy pot roast and vegetable crockpot meal. The ingredients you're going to need include baby carrots, sliced onions, chopped up celery, and diced potatoes. Also a package of the McCormick slow cooker savory pot roast mix. And of course your roast. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add all of the vegetables into the bowl that the roast was marinating in, and then I'm going to add another packet of the McCormick seasoning, another cup of water, and other seasonings onto the vegetables. Once the seasoning is all over your vegetables, just go ahead and add your vegetables on top of your pot roast. Cover and cook on high for 6 hours. After 6 hours, this is the end result of the pot roast, and I want to thank you all for watching. If you give this recipe a try, let me know down in the comments below, and also give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also that notification bell so that you're notified each and every time I upload a new dump and go crockpot meal. But thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you all in my next video.